Hello guys, my name is Vexapi and welcome once again to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to hide some apps from your phone so that other people can see it. Do you understand? Okay. So once again, I'm using Infinix phone right here. So what you're going to do for me is you see your home page here. Make sure you long press. Okay. Now after long pressing, you see something that's shown your wallpapers, widgets, X, theme, and settings. So you're going to press on the settings for me. Okay, now you can see already they say hidden apps. So just press on this hidden apps here. You can see hidden apps. So just press this plus button here. So you can choose the app that you want to hide. Okay, maybe I want to hide my game here. Okay, I don't want my dad to see that I play games. I will hide Asphalt Nitro. Okay, so if you just choose that one, you can choose as many as you want, then you go back. Now if you go back here, this is the main important part. Go to this icon here, press it, and here you can set password to it so that no one can open it. Do you understand? So you go to set password and they will ask you to draw an unlock button. So I'm going to do something simple here, maybe like this. You'll say draw it again to confirm, like that. So I've set password for it. Let's go back. So I've hidden this app. Okay. Now let's go back again. Let's go back. Okay. Now guys, you can see if I come here, go through the list of my apps, I can't find the Asphalt Nitro there. Let's search for it here and see. So let's search for is it asphalt? Yes, asphalt. Now you can Asphalt Nitro. You can see it's not showing up here, guys. It's not showing. If I want to use it myself, I'll just come back to my home page, press on it, go to settings, go to hidden apps, and you can see they said draw my pattern. So I just draw the pattern here. And voila, you can see my app that I hid is showing here. I'll just press on it. And then it will open for me. Guys, you can see this is a very, very cool trick. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, kindly press the subscribe button for me. Share this video, like and comment. Comment the video you want me to show next for you. Thank you very much. Bye.